There's my baby Panthers. Okay. Yeah, the new intake tube, police interceptor intake tube came in. Okay, here's what I had right here. This covered the valve cover. This over here that's shaped like a dildo or a cucumber made it difficult to check my oil. As to where now, this part, I paid $79 for it. It's used, but it's good. See, there's my crankcase ventilation. That's very, very important, people. And there's where she ties in there. See, and see, this is where it doesn't have those stupid baffles. See how you can see the valve cover now and a lot of the engine. And look how easy it is for me to get to my dipstick now, you see? Yes, yes, yes. I started it about 5 minutes ago. It sounds the same. See, what I was wanting, just to get more plastic shit off this engine, man. It's like, those covers that go over these, comes up to the alternator here into this piece of metal and goes over. People, take those off, man. Because see, that's just holding in heat. You know, the heat can't dissipate as well. Take those off of these engines, people. You don't need that plastic BS. Alright, now, this also came with this sticker, okay? District 76 Crown Rick Auto, District 76 Police. Woo! Oh man. Shit. Let's see. Okay, let me put this sticker on here. I'll tell you what, man, where should I put it? I don't know where to put it. Should I put it here? Y'all think it would look better here or look better here? Damn, I don't know. Because actually, this isn't police interceptor. This is the police interceptor here. Here, I'm going to put it here. Because that air cleaner box or air cleaner is not police interceptor, but this tube is. Oh man, look at that. Woo! See, if anybody else ever saw under my hood or it was some major issue and they saw it, think, uh-oh, you better not fuck with this old man. And man, this guy might be a police chief or something. Look at this. This is funny. Okay, I'm going to crank it up for y'all. But see, I wanted this extra room now. When I started it earlier, it didn't sound any better or different. Because it runs good, you know. Okay, I'll start her up for y'all. So you can see this valve cover now. Oh, God, yes. Oh, yeah, see my dipstick there? Okay. Okay, the engine light didn't come on when I started it 5 minutes ago. So let's see what happens now. Okay. Ding. Alright, here goes. No. Engine light's not on. Yes. I don't think it will. It's like I said in one of my earlier videos. It's the police interceptor. When you change this box, this part is a larger diameter circumference, and it alters the nav sensor. And see, I didn't change this, so I think I'm going to be okay. And I've seen some videos on this. People say, why does These 4.6s sound like an old German diesel. People, they all sound like that. What it is, it's the injectors. They have large injectors in them. That's what you're hearing, is the sound of the 8 injectors. This runs very good, very good. And the Rabbit, it doesn't make more noise here or whatever. But I accomplished what I wanted to. I paid $78.95 for that intake tube off of eBay. It's used, but it's perfect, perfect. My accomplishment was to get all that damn plastic off there. Because look at the difference, all this shit on this, you know? And then I told you all about this in my other video, but I'm going to tell you again. You ever take one of these off, save it, you might could resell it or reuse it. Cover the ends with plastic in this area for the crankcase ventilation, because insects can crawl in these baffles. And there's no way you could get those out of there. And those would be sucked up into your throttle, you know what I mean? But, okay. I think that covers everything. I think that pretty well covers it. Oh. Hold on a minute. That'd be a crime not to show this beautiful car. Shit. There's not a dent on this car anywhere. It is beautiful. Look at these leather seats. Perfect. I mean perfect. No engine light yet. Okay. She is beautiful. Okay. And here she is. Boy, this car runs good. We've come a long way. The 28th of this month will be 1 year I've owned this car. I named this car Panther Angel. You know, there's also white Panthers. Yeah, this is my baby. Okay, what else? Yeah, I need $1 million. And women of these days, I need money to pay to keep them away. Because I don't want any diseases, you know. And I don't need nightmare issues in my life. But anyway, later.